remove the tire, 19mm socket. So the nut on the rear link is 15mm wrench or socket, and this particular link has an inside bracket that you can slide an 18mm wrench over. So we're going to loosen this nut. Now we have a top, same thing. Up here, 15mm wrench. Gonna need that 18 now to hold that in place. Once you take the nut off, you can pull the link right out of the sway bar bracket and the knuckle. So the washers that it comes with, put them on against that. Then you're going to go through the brackets and put the lock nuts on. So I'm going to go through the sway bar link at the top first. And then the bottom. I'm going to start this nut so that way it won't pop out. And now I can the new link is a 15mm nut for a wrench or socket, but the holding for the stud is a 9/16. You can put a socket on the bottom part, hold it with a 9/16. On the top, you're going to have to use like a ratchet wrench. You can get a socket in there, that's great. Now the torque on this is 32 foot-pounds. If you can get a socket in there and a torque wrench, I'm just going to get a really long wrench. And beautiful. The bottom one you can get a socket in so we can torque it. So now I'm going to finalize the actual tire. Okay, wheel torque is 88.5 foot-pounds for the wheel.